Welcome back to day 3 of our learning in machine learning series. In this in this learning session, we are going to be looking at different types of machine learning systems. So, different ways of solving a machine learning problem. Imagine we are given to predict a house price or to detect a fraudulent transaction or to check a shopping behavior of a customer, right? So, it's all data driven, so we can have specific type of problems. We will understand the different types of systems like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi supervised, reinforcement, batch or online, instance, and model based learnings, right? So why are there so many different types, right? Think about a question where there is a correct or a wrong answer to it. This can either be like a yes or no, and that can be classified as a supervised learning, where correct outputs get rewarded and the negative outputs are penalized, right? So, yeah, in an unsupervised learning, the algorithm finds hidden patterns, say, example like customer segmentation, product recommendation, and market based analysis, and such things. In case of unsupervised learning, know that there is already a predefined set of data that helps make this decision, right? So there are different things like uh, dimensionality reduction, feature importance, and anomaly detection, and such things. Semi supervised is a combination of both, where there might be labeled and unlabeled data as well, right? So that's about semi supervised learning. In case of reinforcement learning, think about playing a game. Making a good move is rewarded with positive points, and a negative is a bad move, right? So, such is a reinforcement learning. It can be of an example of a playing a game, or playing chess, or maybe a self-driving car navigating to a destination or so, right? A batch learning is one in which um, a large set of data is used to train a model, and then the other set of data is required to be predicted with the given set of data that we give. In case of online learning, it is, you can think about it like a continuous set of data which uh, would be fed as time goes through. Example can be like a stock market data, a news recommendation system, or any ad recommendation system, right? In case of instance based learning, stories, previous examples uh, me- like having to recognize the patterns of a user's behavior and then providing suggestions based on the user's search or whatever the specific features relate to, right? So those were few types of one last thing is model based learning, where in case of model based learning there might be mathematical expressions that help solve a problem, right? Okay, so these were few different types of machine learning uh, types. So as you see, I have some notes here. Supervised learning, having to say, uh, we have a certain data which gives the machine to know what is input and what is the expected output as well as a starting point, and this can be seen in house price prediction and such things. So it has high accuracy and easy evaluation, whereas in case of unsupervised learning, we deal with unlabeled data and explore the possible outcomes. There are things like customer uh, segmentation, product clustering, anomaly detection, and topic modeling, and such things. So, yeah, in case of unsupervised learning, we would be knowing the output without having an idea on what the output would be. A semi supervised, as we said, it can be a combination of both, where there might be labeled data and an unlabeled data, right? So, that's about Reinforcement learning, we again understood it through a reward and penalize system. And batch learning here, a set of historical data with monthly reports or such examples used to train in one single shot. And online learning is something that uh, the data evolves over time or continuously changes over time, right? So that's like a stock market or news feed prediction or even an ad recommendation system, right? Instance based learning is one where the machine recommends a user based on his patterns or behaviors, right? Model based learning is mathematical expressions or relation helping us solve a specific problem. Okay, so that's about day 4 learning. So these were the different types of uh, machine learning systems. This should help us give a rough idea on what a specific problem should look like. It can either be supervised, unsupervised, or such classifications is something that should give us an intuition on. So most machine learning algorithms cannot produce good results by itself, but the data is definitely a key factor. And if you see, data is a key thing. And in the next upcoming session, we will be looking at how bad data or uh, data is more important than an algorithm itself, right? So yeah, see you in day 4 learning. Thank you. Please do like and subscribe to my channel as we continue this journey.